Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will discuss about Allah's beautiful names, Al-Muqsit, the just one. Allah is the equitable, the one who is just in his judgment, the one who has absolute justice and fairness, emphasizing Allah's role as the ultimate arbiter of justice, who ensures fairness and equity without any bias or injustice for all his creation. Coming to the Arabic root of this name. The root letters of this name are Qaf, Sin, Fa, which denotes fairness, justice, equity, and balance. This name is similar to Allah's other names, Al-Adl, the embodiment of justice, and Al-Hakam, the impartial judge. These names are complementing with each other. Al-Muqsit highlights Allah's active implementation of justice. Al-Adl reflects his inherent fairness and perfect equity. Al-Hakim underscores the wisdom behind his justice and decisions. Together, these names show that Allah's justice is not only fair but also deeply wise and purposeful. Now let's see how this name is used in the Quran. The Quran doesn't directly describe Allah as Al-Muqsit. However, Allah's commitment to justice is a central theme throughout the Quran, stressing his fairness in all his actions and decisions. For example, in Surah Al-Ma'idah, chapter 5, verse 42, Allah says, "So if they come to you, O Muhammad, judge between them or turn away from them. And if you turn away from them, never will they harm you at all. And if you judge, judge between them with justice, bil qist. Indeed, Allah loves those who act justly, al-muqsitin." Now, few hadith references about this name. It was narrated from Abdullah bin Amr bin al-As that the Prophet ﷺ said, "Those who are just and fair, muqsitin, will be with Allah Most High, on thrones of light, at the right hand of the Most Merciful. Those who are just, ya'dilun, in their rulings and in their dealings with their families, and those of whom they are in charge." Muhammad, one of the narrators, said in his hadith, "And both of his hands are right hands." How to call Allah with the name Al-Muqsit in dua. When invoking Allah by the name Al-Muqsit, we can call out to Allah and say, "O Allah Al-Muqsit, grant us justice and fairness in our affairs. Help us to be just and fair in our dealings with others, and let us never wrong anyone. Establish fairness in our life, our family, and our society. Judge between us in truth, and grant us a heart that loves justice and righteousness." Ameen. Jazakallah khair for listening. May Allah allow us to use His beautiful names and make us closer to Him. Allahumma Ameen. Join us in this humble journey as we explore and reflect upon the beautiful names and attributes of Allah. Hope you will also follow along as we delve deeper into our faith. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.